Hi guys, welcome back to my English video. Today I will talk about the topic nature. My name is Đạt. My full name is Bùi Văn Đạt. I am 18 years old. I am Vietnamese. I come from Nam Định. Now I live in Hanoi City. I am a university student. I'm a freshman. Now I study at the University of Transport and Communications. Do you know that university? Okay. About my appearance, I think I look like a boy. Do you know what? I am quite thin and short, so I am very sad. I am 162 centimeters tall and weigh 50 kilograms. In my free time, I like to listen to music, watch TV, and read books. And I love to dance. Today I will talk about the topic nature. Now I live in a big city in Vietnam. This is a very famous city. It is the capital of Vietnam. This city is Hanoi. I really like to live Hanoi City. There are many places in my city, like the parks, West Lake, Hoàn Kiếm Lake, or the shopping center, and lots of restaurants. People often go to the park to exercise in the morning and afternoon. A lot of people like to run in West Lake and Hoàn Kiếm Lake, and me too. That's so great. There are many people in my city, so it is very noisy. But there is a big park next to my house, and do you know what? My house is near West Lake. I love West Lake. It's so very beautiful. There are many colorful flowers and lots of trees on the road around West Lake. I like it. I like to ride a bike with my family and my friends in West Lake. I like to walk to West Lake in the afternoon because it is very windy, sunny, and cool. I often run around West Lake. Every time I run, I meet a lot of tourists. They are very friendly and lovely. I really like to live in Hanoi City. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you next time.